To fix an ice maker that's not producing enough ice, several factors should be considered. The temperature setting may be too high, which can limit ice production. Inspecting the thermostat and adjusting the temperature to a lower level, ideally between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit, can help maximize ice production. Additionally, the water supply should be checked to ensure the valve is fully open and the water line is free from kinks or bends that could hinder the flow. If necessary, the water line should be repositioned to prevent any obstructions. A clogged or old water filter can also reduce water flow into the ice maker, so it's essential to inspect the filter for dirt and debris buildup. Replacing the water filter every 6 months can help maintain optimal performance. By addressing these potential issues, resetting the temperature, checking the water supply, and replacing the water filter, you can troubleshoot and fix an ice maker that's not making enough ice.